everyone. To start, gather all the ingredients: flour, softened butter, powdered sugar, salt, vanilla, and a tablespoon of milk. If you need to soften the butter quickly, cut it into cubes and microwave in 5-second intervals, checking each time to see if it's soft enough. You can use either salted or unsalted butter for this recipe. If you are using salted butter, don't bother to add any extra salt. I am using a stand mixer here, but you can also use a hand mixer. It will be more labor intensive though. Anyways, let's get started. In a stand mixer with a paddle attachment, combine the sugar, butter, vanilla and salt. Remember to skip the salt if you are using salted butter. Cream the mixture on medium-high speed. Once the mixture is perfectly uniform, switch to a dough hook attachment and add the flour. Mix on medium speed. Slowly, the dough will start to come together. Add the milk and mix just until incorporated. The dough will be thick, but that's exactly how it should be for perfectly crispy cookies. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a very large start tip. It is important to use a large tip because the dough is thick and a smaller tip might make it impossible to pipe. If you are using parchment paper, make sure to grease the baking tray so the paper sticks to it. If you are using a silicone mat, there is no need to grease the tray. Preheat the oven, then pipe circles of dough onto the prepared tray. Leave some space between the cookies. They will expand slightly as they bake. Bake the cookies until the piped circles are lightly golden for about 15 minutes. Let them cool completely on the baking tray. Initially, the cookies will be rather soft, but they will firm up as they cool. That's it. Your cookies are ready. Let me know if you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!